Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open Task Manager on your Windows 10 PC. For this, I will use total 8 methods and you can use either. So let me start without any delay. First one is through keyboard shortcut, that is Control Shift plus Escape. Just press Control Shift and Escape key simultaneously on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Next one method is through this one Control Alt Delete keyboard shortcut. For that, click press Control Alt Delete on your keyboard. This will open this one menu. Here select Task Manager to open Task Manager. Next one method is through taskbar menu. For that, right click on this one taskbar and here select Task Manager. This will also open Task Manager. Next one method is through power user menu. For that, right click on the start button and here select Task Manager. Next one is through Windows search. For that, click on this one start button or click on this one search bar and here type Task Manager and click on Task Manager in the search results. This will also open Task Manager. Next one method is through run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open run dialog box and here type task mgr. I will put this one command in this video description also. So in case you need it, you can copy it. After typing this one command, click on this one OK button to open the task manager on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through command prompt. For that, click on this one start button and type here cmd in the search results. Click on this one command prompt entry. In the command prompt window, type here same command task mgr and then press enter on the keyboard to open the task manager. Last one method is through Windows PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button, type here PowerShell and in the search results, click on this one Windows PowerShell entry. In Windows PowerShell, use the same command task mgr and press enter on the keyboard. This will also open Task Manager on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video.